Hello everyone. State Bank of India announced a recruitment for the junior associates in the customer support and sales department. Graduate of any discipline from recognized university are eligible for this, and also final year or semester students also can apply for this post. They have listed the vacancy positions in the respective states of India. Candidates can choose any one of the state for applying. Note, candidates should be proficient in the specified opted local language of the chosen state, and also online registration of application and payment of fees should be done before 17th May 2021. Candidates can appear for the test only once under this recruitment project. Preliminary examination will be conducted and its tentative date of the examination is of June 2021 and mains will be on 31st July 2021. Some of the other important points are: vacancies reserved for OBC category are available to OBC candidates belonging to non-creamy layer. Candidates belonging to OBC category but coming in creamy layer are not entitled for any relaxation or reservation available to OBC. They should indicate their category as general. OBC category candidate should submit the OBC certificate on format prescribed by the Government of India having non-creamy layer class issued during period of 1st April 2021 to the date of taking up appointment if selected. That is, age limit should be not below 20 years and not above 28 years as on 1st April 2021. However, relaxation reserved for candidates based on their own caste. Candidates seeking age relaxation are required to submit copies of necessary certificates at the time of joining. Coming to academic qualification, the essential academic qualification for this post is graduate of any discipline from a recognized university or any equivalent qualification. Final year or semester students also eligible to apply, but they will have to produce proof of having passed the graduation examination on or before 16th August 2021. You can go through for other particulars regarding the date of passing, etc. here in this notification. Let's move to the next important point, that is selection procedure. Preliminary examination consists 100 objective type questions and the pattern for it is tabulated here as you can see. Each part or section has separate timing and also there will be negative marking. If you are shortlisted in the prelims, you will be called for the main examination. And also they have discussed on how to apply and also many other important points regarding the whole recruitment process in this notification. So kindly go through the whole notification before you apply for it. I have attached the notification download link in the description box. You can use it to download and go through before you apply it. Thank you.